3, 2, 1.
What is the resistor color code for 470 ohms? The answer is B, orange, green, violet. Air is considered to be a vehicle for. The answer is D, sound. Which is the ultimate energy source in a bear's food chain? The answer is C, sun. Density and pressure of air decreases with what? The answer is C, altitude. What is the term for resource that is used in a way that meets the needs of the present without keeping future generations from meeting their needs? The answer is A, sustainable. In flowering plants, what structure containing DNA is transported from one plant to another? The answer is D, pollen. It is generally accepted that economic market systems have proved to be so stable and efficient for which of these reasons? The answer is A, they facilitate exchange and specialization. What is the name of the wind that blows across open waters in a straight line from a relatively small area? The answer is A, monsoon. What Academy Award-winning movie tells the fact-based story of two athletes participating in the 1924 Olympic Games? The answer is C, Chariots of Fire. This 1996 game introduced networked play and 3D graphics. What game introduced or perfected this landmark first-person shooter according to Entertainment Weekly? The answer is A, Doom. Who was the Roman equivalent of the Greek god Apollo? The answer is C, Apollo. What does Dan Gallagher do for a living in the hit movie Fatal Attraction? The answer is D, attorney. Who is known as the father of electronics? The answer is B, Thomas Edison. The scale that is used to measure the loudness of sound measures their loudness in what? The answer is A, decibels. Which of the following countries is smaller in terms of land area than Poland?
The answer is A, Italy.
Plants need sunlight for what process? The answer is A, photosynthesis. Which vegetable is a root vegetable that resembles a parsnip in appearance but is sweeter? The answer is A, carrot. Which of these is a nickname of the vampire character Spike, featured on Buffy the Vampire Slayer? The answer is A, William the Bloody. What is the largest country by land area in South America? The answer is A, Brazil. From 1997 to 2007, Peter Graves played Colonel John Candon on what television series? The answer is A. Seventh Heaven. Mosquitoes have adapted to detect carbon dioxide using certain sensory nerves. Mosquitoes instinctually move toward greater concentrations of carbon dioxide. What is the importance of this adaptation? The answer is A. It helps mosquitoes find food. What is a small handheld whisk called? The answer is A. Whisk. Who was the Egyptian god of wisdom, magic, and medicine? The answer is B. Thoth. What is the world's most popular operating system? The answer is D. Android. Which company introduced the first smartphone, Simon Personal Communicator, in 1993? The answer is C. IBM. What is the most common type of sand in the Sahara Desert? The answer is A. Quartz sand. What U.S. president had a daughter named Margaret who became a successful writer of fiction and non-fiction books? The answer is D. Harry S. Truman. When a car engine is started, gasoline is mixed with air and burned. Heat, sound, and chemical products are released. As the engine operates, which of these remains constant? The answer is D. The total amount of energy. I am a small country, but my people are the tallest in the world on average. What am I? The answer is D. Finland. Which philosopher is known for his theory of cogito ergo sum? The answer is D. Descartes. In the novel War and Peace, who is the protagonist? The answer is B. Pierre Bezukhov. What is the name of the popular battle royale game with the chicken dance? The answer is A. Fortnite. Which kitchen appliance can be used to toast bread and heat up food? The answer is B. Toaster oven. What is the name for a unit of time equal to 2 minutes? The answer is A. Microsecond. The primary site of carbohydrate digestion is in the The answer is C. Small intestine. Fishes were the earliest example of what subphylum, and jawless fishes were the earliest of these? The answer is B. Vertebrates. What is the name of the young FBI trainee played by Jodie Foster in the thriller The Silence of the Lambs? The answer is C. Clarice Starling. Which streaming service was launched by Reed Hastings and Mark Randolph in 1997? The answer is A. Netflix. Who is Kerrigan talking to? The answer is C. Phoenix. What does water treatment do to water? The answer is C. Removes unwanted substances. Chemiluminescence is a phenomenon involving which of the following processes? The answer is B. Emitting light. What type of behavior is most flexible? The answer is B. Learned behavior. What is the world's second highest peak after Mount Everest? The answer is A. K2. In the movie The Scorpion King, actress Kelly Hu co-starred with which former WWF wrestling champion? The answer is B. The Rock. What is sinology, the study of? The answer is C. China. What is the meaning of the Spanish word vanilla, from which the name of the spice vanilla originated? The answer is C. Little pod. What is the tallest tree species in the world? The answer is D. Coast redwood. What is invisible, tasteless, colorless, odorless, and can fill a room? The answer is C. Gas. What is the world's longest word in terms of letters? The answer is A. Pneumonultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis. Which famous art movement is associated with Starry Night?